exploring this area, and I found this big old red wolf. Don't tell me it disappeared on me too. No, there it is. There it is. I wish I could tame it and make it my wolvie. I don't think that's possible. I guess I just have to slay it. I am sorry, doggy. It's not what I want to do, but it's part of the game. Oh. 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 Oh, crap. Oh, that's not cool. That's not cool. That's not cool. The magic pup. Magic pup. Magic pup. Magic pup. Magic pup. Oh. Crap, I'm getting my butt kicked. Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no, 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 no. I got lucky, I got lucky, I got lucky. Come on. I'm not even landing any hits. Crap, 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 crap. Okay, okay. He's so close to dying. Yes! Yes! Woo! Ah, I survived.